Hi, my name is Julie, and I'm going to do a book review on the picture book, The 11th Hour, by the author Graham Bass. This book definitely combines visual and verbal narratives in a book format aimed at young children. It will actually make a lot of children happy with the different age groups because it has rhyming and it has mystery. It has clues. It has very, very detailed illustrations so that the older child, if they like to seek out different pictures, they will be happy with this book. This book is all about a mystery. You can see that it is a curious mystery, and it's about Horace. Horace the elephant is turning 11. He's turning 11 and he invites a whole bunch of his friends over to his house for a birthday party. And they play 11 games and they have all kinds of fun as they go through this book. The beginning says, "A book is read, a story ends. A telling tale is told, but who can say what mysteries a single page may hold? A maze of hidden codes and clues, a clock at every turn, and only time will tell what other secrets you may learn." See the clocks? This book is full of wonderful illustrations. Every page has illustrations that are cram-packed onto the page. There are clues in every page to help you solve the mystery. Every page has a clock. I love this book because of the clues, because of the mystery, because of the architecture. There is great architecture in this book. You can tell that Graham Bass, the author, is well-traveled, and he tells you about some of the architecture that he puts in the book. The book is entertaining, and it keeps your interest, and it is funny, and it helps every person of no matter what age stay interested in it. You can see that the pictures are very, very detailed. It takes several minutes to look at each page, and depending what you would like to learn or what you're good at, you can learn from this book. For example, this page has a song all across the top. So you can play that on the piano and decide if it helps you figure out what the clue is, because you are trying to figure out who ate the feast. And this is even interesting. If you have the talent for Morse code, you can figure out another clue. Every page has a clue to the mystery, and every page helps you deduce who the thief is. It's really, really fun. And if you know about Europe or Egypt, you're even going to be better at this game. It has a clue at the very end to help you decipher who is the thief. This section here is sealed. And then if you still need help with that, you can unseal it and you can find out who done it. I hope you can get this book. Graham Bass is an excellent author and illustrator. It was so fun to figure out all these different clues. And remember, watch the clock. Good luck.